This is my term project, Cat Collector, inspired by the app Neko Atsume. It's a simulation game where you can buy food and toys and put them in your yard, causing cats to come, and then the cats will give you money. And the more money you have, you can buy more expensive toys, and then more rare cats will show up in your yard. So let's start a new game. So we can first start off by placing food, and then pressing M, and then going to the shop. And this is where you can buy all of your toys that will make the cats visit you. And if you don't have enough money, this pop-up will show up saying that looks like you don't have enough money. And then to place items, we go to goodies, and you can place these items into our yard. And then from there, it's pretty much just waiting for the cats to show up. In the meantime, there's this feature, which is like a cat book, which shows all the cats that could possibly, oh, look at that. Okay, the moment a cat appears in your yard, it will show up in the cat collecting book. So yeah, a cat just appeared in our yard. And then if you take a look, like each cat has like a favorite toy and a favorite position in the yard. And then when a cat visits its favorite toy and favorite position, they'll reward you with goldfish. And goldfish are essentially like the more rare form of currency. So yeah, these two cats showed up in our yard, and then eventually the cats are going to leave. And to simulate time passing, if you're impatient like me, you can hit the key S, and then you can choose to sleep for 20 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. So let's just sleep for 1 hour and see what happens. So then we can go to gifts, because there's a little alert button, and you can see that the cats just visited us, gave us some fish to thank us. And then you can just use the money to buy more stuff. And when you buy stuff that's more expensive, more rare cats will come visit your yard. Oh look, there's a rare cat. This is Algorithm. Algorithm is good at computer science. Okay, anyway, to save your progress, you're going to hit the escape key, and then you can type out your name to save the file as. I'm just going to call it TP demo video. You can run the file again and type out the name. Wait, it was TP demo video. And then when we look at the top level app, this is the same progress as before. Everything is still the same. We have the same amount of money, and everything in the shop, everything is the same as it was before. And then another feature of the game is backtracking. When all 5 of the spots are filled, we can start backtracking. So let me demonstrate that really quick for you. So this cool animation plays, and it says, "Congratulations, you filled up all of the positions in your yard. When a cat visits their favorite goodie at the favorite position, they'll give you extra fish, and then you're going to pick 5 cats to optimize your fish supply." So yeah, you can pick 5 cats, and if there's no possible solution, it will tell you no solution is possible. If I pick less than 5 cats, it will say choose 5, because it doesn't work if you don't have 5 cats. So with this specific combination we have in the yard, it's not possible to create an optimal yard arrangement, but I have a saved file that can do that. Okay, if we open up this file that I've saved previously for demo purposes, we can place this item, and then the backtracking animation will play again. And then with this specific combination of 5 cats, the backtracking works. And then yay, all the cats are in their favorite spots. And then you can check the cat book to make sure that everything is matching up perfectly. And then yeah, when you hit sleep, all of the cats are going to reward us with goldfish. Okay, these 2 cats didn't leave, but you see the cats are giving us goldfish, which is what we want. So yeah, that's about it to my term project demo, and I hope you enjoyed watching.